How is Lascaux cave art dated using radiocarbon dating? Imagine standing in a dark cave filled with images that are thousands of years old. How do we know exactly how old these prehistoric paintings are? Well, scientists have a clever way of figuring this out called radiocarbon dating. Since most of the pigments used in Lascaux cave art are mineral-based and don't contain organic material, they can't be dated directly. Instead, archaeologists look for organic remains connected to the artwork. This includes charcoal from burnt wood or bones found in or near the cave. Charcoal is made from organic material, so it contains carbon that was once part of a living organism. When a plant or animal dies, it stops absorbing carbon, including a special radioactive form called carbon-14. This carbon-14 slowly decays over time at a known rate. By measuring how much carbon-14 remains in a sample, scientists can estimate when the organism died. In the case of Lascaux, they analyzed charcoal fragments used in the black pigments or organic remains found in the same layers as the paintings. This process has helped date the art to roughly between 19,500 and 13,000 years ago. This period covers the late part of the Upper Paleolithic era, which includes the Solutrean and Magdalenian cultures. Since most pigments are mineral-based like iron oxides and manganese compounds, they can't be directly dated with radiocarbon. Instead, dating the charcoal or bones gives us a good idea of when the art was created. Sometimes, scientists also use another method called uranium series dating. This technique looks at calcite deposits, like crusts or flowstone, that form over the paintings. Because calcite forms after the art was made, dating it tells us the minimum age of the artwork. If the calcite is 20,000 years old, for example, the paintings must be at least that old. Combining radiocarbon dating of organic materials with uranium series dating of calcite deposits gives us a clearer picture of the age of the cave art. These methods show that the paintings in Lascaux were created over many thousands of years during the late Ice Age. This helps us understand the timeline of human creativity and how early humans expressed themselves through art. So, even in the dark depths of a cave, science shines a light on the distant past, revealing the age of these prehistoric masterpieces.